Sant Ishwar Singh Ji Memorial Public School, Karmsar, Rana Sahib. Subject Business Studies, Class 11th Commerce, and the topic we will be discussing today in this video is Business Risks, Concept, Nature and Causes. Dear students, first of all, let us know the meaning of business risk. The term business risks refer to the possibility of inadequate profits or even losses in the business due to uncertainties or unexpected events. The predominance of this feature in business is because of the continuous business activities in future, and the future is indefinite or uncertain. Nobody can say it with any amount of certainty as to what is going to happen tomorrow. So, for example, demand for a firm's product may decline due to change in taste and fashion of customers or due to increased competition. Decrease in demand will result in obvious low sales and hence the low profits or even losses. Now, let us see the types of business risks. There are different types of business risks. Basically, a business enterprises constantly face two types of risks. First is speculative risk and another is pure risk. Speculative risks involve both the possibility of gain as well as the possibility of loss. It arises due to changes in market conditions, including fluctuations in demand and supply, changes in prices or changes in fashion and taste of customers. Favorable market conditions are likely to result in gains, whereas unfavorable ones may result in losses. Another type of business risk is pure risks. Pure risks involve only the possibility of loss or no loss. The chance of fire, theft or strike, all are the examples of pure risks. Their occurrence may result in loss, whereas non-occurrence may explain absence of loss instead of gain. Now let us come to the nature of business risk. Nature of business risks can be understood in terms of their peculiar characteristics. The first characteristic can be the business risks arise due to uncertainties. Another one is risk is an essential part of every business. Next is degree of risk depends mainly upon the nature and size of business. And the last one is profit is the reward for risk taking. So let us discuss all these 4 points in detail now. First of all, business risks arise due to uncertainties. Risk is the outcome of uncertainties. Uncertainty can either be human, business or natural. About all these three, the following examples can be cited. Like human uncertainties can be strike or theft. Business uncertainty can be wrong assessment of demand, change in prices, etc. Natural uncertainty can be earthquake, drought, snowfall, epidemic, etc. Second nature of business risk is an essential part of every business. It is very difficult to come out of the intriguing web of business risks. The only reason of it is that business is carried on for future and future is definitely uncertain. Yes, the risks can certainly be minimized. Next point depicting the nature of business risk is degree of risk depends mainly upon the nature and size of business. The degree of risk is less in a small sized business as compared to the degree of risk in a big business. Next point we can discuss here is profit is the reward for risk taking. Whatever a businessman gets for taking risks is profit. The greater the risk, the more is the possibility of profit. No risk, no gain is the principle. It is an old age principle which applies to all types of business. The profit is thus the reward for risk taking. Now let us discuss in detail the causes of business risks. There are various causes of business risks and all these are classified under 4 main groups. Number 1, natural causes, then is human causes, then economic causes and other causes. So about natural causes, we can say that natural causes of business risks are beyond human control. They result in heavy loss of life, property and income. A few examples of natural causes of business risks are flood, earthquakes, tornadoes, fires, lightning, droughts, unexpected changes in normal weather conditions, etc. Then second cause of business risk is human causes. Human causes include such unexpected events like dishonesty, carelessness, or negligence of employees, stoppage of work due to power failures, strikes, riots, management inefficiency, accidents and injury, etc. The third type of cause of business risk is economic risks. Economic risks include uncertainties relating to demand for goods, competition, price, collection of dues from customers, change in technology or method of production, etc. Financial problems like rise in interest rate for borrowing, change in the tax rates or levy of higher taxes, etc. also come under these type of causes as they result in higher unexpected cost of operation of business. The fourth type of cause is physical cause. Mechanical defects or failures may also lead to losses. For example, bursting of boiler of machine may cause death or destruction. Now, the other causes, these causes are unforeseen events like political disturbances, fluctuations in exchange rates, etc., which lead to the possibility of business risks. Mechanical failures also can be categorized under other causes of business risk. So these were the concept, types and the causes of business risk. Thank you everybody.